Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello guys, let me introduce myself. My name is Windy Indah Juliana. You can call me Windy. I'm student from Islamic University at Saifuddin Zuhri Purwokerto, majoring in Islamic Economy, and I'm from class 6 Sharia Economy A. Here I will convey as material for the final examination of Institutional Economy course. And now I will discuss about social capital theory. Social capital theory. Definition. According to Bordi, social capital is a research that is owned by a person or group of people by utilizing institutionalized networks or relationships, and there is a mutually recognized relationship between its members. He also argues that social networks are not natural given, but are formed through investment strategies oriented to the institutionalization of group relationships that can be used as a source to reap profits. Social capital theory attracted attention when Coleman completed Bordi's study. At the time, he saw social capital more to its function. According to him, social capital includes two things, namely, the first, social capital covers certain aspects of social structure, and second, social capital facilitates actors who act within the structure. He also develops an understanding of social capital which includes vertical and horizontal association or relationships. Vertical association can be characterized by hierarchical relationships and an unequal distribution of power between members of society, while horizontal associations, where the distribution of power is more evenly distributed. The third perspective of social capital. And the fourth perspective is communitarian perspective or local association, network perspective bond, and institutional perspective political and legal institutions, and then synergy perspective community network and state-community relation. Social capital negative implications. Even though the concept of social capital is recognized for its existence and relevance in both theoretical and empirical terms, there are still many disagreements regarding some basic methods that have led to endless controversies until now. For controversial issues, the first, is social capital a collective or individual asset? The second, is social closure capital or open network in a social network on relationship? The third, is social capital a research of social structures that generates benefit for individuals in a specific action? And the fourth, is social capital equated with economic, physical, or human capital that can be quantified in the social science. Social capital and economic development. In the context of economics, social and human capital is closely related to the achievement of economic development. Social capital in transaction activities can be the basis of economic research. Social capital can be considered as a research that can improve the effectiveness of other inputs in the development process. Okay, well, I think that's all for now. Thank you for your attention. I'm sorry if I have any wrong. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.